Meet Joe. Joe loves classic cars and loves watching restoration videos. One day he had a great idea. He bought himself an old Kombi. He thought, I don't know much about restoration, but how hard can it be? Little did he know what he was in for. Rust beyond belief, body filler hiding massive holes, seized bolts, missing parts. He felt completely overwhelmed. That's when his good woman walked in with a glass of wine and said, "One bite at a time, Joe. That's how you eat an elephant." And in that moment he realized she was right. Anything's possible if you take it one bite at a time. So if you're like Joe and you've got a dream of restoring an old classic, why not join him here at Kombi Garage, where we show you what worked, what didn't, and what we learnt along the way. Let Joe know he's not alone. Take your first bite and subscribe now, and let the adventure begin.